Hi, my name is Stormy Highland, and I'm going to give a presentation on Tennessee coal ash ponds. In this presentation, I will be discussing stakeholders, goals and objectives, and vision statement. As a reminder, here are some facts about Tennessee coal ash ponds. The amount of coal ash produced in Tennessee coal ash ponds is over 3.2 million tons. Tennessee has 8 power plants that have 18 ponds. These ponds have the capacity to hold 87.5 million cubic yards. 17 out of the 18 ponds are over 30 years old. Here's a summary of all the coal ash ponds in Tennessee. If you note, the main operator of the Tennessee coal ash ponds are Tennessee Valley Authority. Moving on to stakeholder groups needed to make any management plan for coal ash ponds work will be the operators of the coal ash power plants, which include Tennessee Valley Authority, Eastman Chemical Co., Tennessee Operations, and Vanderbilt University. They are the ones that will be ensuring that the management plan is successfully enacted. The Environmental Protection Agency is also needed, both federal and state, to ensure that proper policies are enacted and enforced. Local government representation is also needed to represent the public and their views on coal ash ponds. The vision statement for this management plan is to ensure safety and protection for the present and future for Tennessee coal ash ponds, for the environment, and for us. Moving on to the goals. The first goal is to bring non-compliant coal ash ponds to compliancy. The first objective of this goal is to evaluate all existing coal ash ponds using the 2014 EPA standard within 24 months to see if they can be updated to current standard. An example of the current standard is not having a coal ash pond on a seismic area. The second objective of this goal is, after evaluation of existing coal ash ponds, start building compliant coal ash ponds in the area that the existing coal ash ponds can be transferred into within 12 months of the evaluation. The second goal of this management plan will be to ensure compliancy of new coal ash ponds. The first objective will be to have new coal ash ponds will need to be required to have an inspection before use by an external company to ensure proper protocol is followed. And yearly evaluation done by an external company will also need to be done at new coal ash ponds to ensure proper safety. Here are the references used in this presentation.